Hello everyone, here's a question from the sum of these numbers. First, let's look at this number. 199, 298, 397. Have you noticed a pattern here? You see the last two digits. So 99, 98, 97. So each time decrease by 1 to 91, 90, then 2, 1. So then the first digit from 1 to 2 to 3, each time increase by 1 to 9, 10, 11 until 99. So that's why the first step, we are going to rewrite each number into two parts to separate the last two digits from previous digit. Okay, so let's see. So the first number, 199. So we're going to put as 100 plus 99. The second number, 298. So we put 200 plus 98. The third number, 397. 300 plus 97. Keep going. So then 900 plus 91. So this one is 1000 plus 90. So 1100 plus 89. Then just keep going. Then until this one. Okay, so 9802. So then here we put 9800 plus 2, the last one. So that's 9900 plus 1. Okay, then what's the next step? So next step, we are going to collect all the last two digits together. So that means 99, 98, 97, 96, then until 2, 1. Put them as a group. Then here we have 99 plus 98 plus 97, then until 2 plus 2 plus 1. Then we are going to group the rest of the numbers together. So just the first part in each group together, 100, 200, 300, 400, until each time increase by 100 until 98,000, 9800, 9900. Okay, put them together. So then here we have 100 plus 200 plus 300 until here 9800 plus 9900. Okay, so now let's continue to simplify. For this one is 1 plus 2 plus 3, then until plus 99. So that's 99 integers adding together. But then we have a formula for something like this one. So here we have, if you have 1 plus 2 plus n. So that's a sum of n consecutive positive integers. So then we have a formula. This one should equal n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Then for our case, for this, the first group, so what is n here? So n is 99. So that's why just plug in this formula. So then we have, so 99 plus 1, that's 100. Then divided by 2. That's for the first group. Okay, so let's see the second group. Second group, they have common factor 100. So take a 100 out. So then here we have 100. So after we take a 100 out, so first one will be 1, then plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so then here we have 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then here will be 98, 99 plus 99. Okay, for the first one, continue to simplify. So this one, so 99 divided by 2, that's a 49.5 times 100. That's really simple. That's a 4,950. Then here. So what's this one? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 until 99. So this one and here exactly the same. Okay, so that's why just use a formula, exactly same. So that's why the same answer here. Okay, so then here just time this number, because this part and that part is exactly the same. So time 4,950. So then just do the last calculation. So that will be 499,950. That's it. That's the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. See you next time.